3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me how have you...
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day.
I walked in a circle.
Yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day.
Did you already look at the menu? Yes? What are you getting?
On the roof, it's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, take today, oh, doesn't it?
I watched the gym the last 2 days and like
when I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired.
Are those bags? What are these? Little shabbies. I don't freaking know what that is. Is it one thing or is it all together? Yeah, it's all together. Not sure what that is. But I don't wear like hoops and like dragging ones that often. Oh, these are like Japanese things.
Put on my rain boots, my favorite.
Oh my god, no! He looks like a worm. Okay, those are cute. That one looks like a slug.
I don't care today what the neighbors might say, 'cause I could stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I could stay inside and type away inside.
Oh, what the hell? Why does this look like a prom dress? So pretty. You're my model. We're gonna go get ice cream. Yeah. Whoa. What the hell is this? What if you sat there? Whoa, that is so pretty. Okay, let's go for it.
The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling.
It's definitely simple. Wait, are we recording? Yeah. Just licked it. It's okay. You just made my content funny. I'm more entertaining. Me too. I'm gonna zoom in.
When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fast.
Alright, so yesterday we brought all my stuff into my bedroom. This is all my bed pieces. Here's my sister and my dog in the background. My upset dog in the background. Anyways, so today We're gonna work on making my bed frame, and that's gonna take basically the whole day. It's already like 5 o'clock almost, which is not the best thing because last time it took us like the whole day. But I had an exam this morning, so had to get that done first. But yeah, we're gonna start making the bed. We already have all the shelves made from previously, so probably won't take as long as last time, but let's get right to it. Yay, we finished! Let's go! Look, we did a good job, right, Barley? Oh, okay. Alright, so today I'm gonna work on putting my clothes back into my bed storage cabinets on this side, as well as this side. There's 6 of them, so probably 1 is gonna be for my pants, 2 of them for like t-shirts and then like long sleeves, and then the other 2 I'll figure it out what I'm gonna do. Or other 3. Yeah, other 3. Empty suitcases. One back here. And tower of clothes. That one is a pretty big one for athletic clothes. Now time to fold it all and place it in the cabinets.